To become a millionaire in cryptocurrency, you need a strategic plan that includes market knowledge, disciplined risk management, and a long-term view. It's not luck that you can make $1 million in Bitcoin. Many crypto billionaires have become successful by following a few basic rules, even though their methods may be different. This essay looks at these ideas and explains how they made a lot of money in the volatile cryptocurrency market while they were investing. Please keep in mind that this is not financial advice. Investments in cryptocurrencies are very speculative and involve a significant amount of risk with them. A lot of cryptocurrency millionaires were early adopters who saw the potential of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies before most people did. Because they got into the market early, they were able to buy a lot of stocks at relatively low prices. This gave them the chance to make a lot of money as the market grew. To be successful, it was important to have a long-term vision that focused on the technology itself and how likely it was to be adopted by the general public. It was very important to be patient and believe in the technology's long-term promise. Successful cryptocurrency investors almost never put all of their money into one cryptocurrency. By spreading your money across different asset classes and cryptocurrencies, you can lessen the effect of any one investment that doesn't do well. This helps you keep an eye on risk. Setting stop-loss orders, spreading out investments, and only putting money into things that you can afford to lose without feeling bad are all important parts of risk management. In order to be successful in the long run, you need to have a clear idea of how much risk you can handle and a systematic way to deal with it. A lot of successful investors focus on fundamental analysis instead of trying to make quick money by buying and selling stocks. Before you put money into a cryptocurrency, you need to do a lot of research on the technology, the team, and the market potential of each one. To find possible projects, you need to do thorough due diligence, which includes reading white papers, looking at the backgrounds of team members, and looking at how the community interacts. It's more important to know about the underlying technology and the project's potential for long-term growth than to know about short-term price changes. Because the cryptocurrency market is so unstable, it's important to stay up to date. To stay ahead of the competition, successful investors change their strategies when they learn new things or when the market changes. They pay close attention to changes in the market, new technologies, changes in regulations, and the mood of investors. Because they can adapt, these people can easily avoid risks and take advantage of chances. In times of market downturn, many crypto billionaires show amazing emotional control by not acting on their fear or greed and not selling their holdings in a panic. One important virtue is patience. To make big gains, you often need to think long-term and be able to handle short-term market fluctuations. Patience is an important quality. To be successful in the long run, you need to be able to control your feelings and make decisions in a disciplined way. One of the best things they can do is look at their portfolios and make sure they are balanced on a regular basis. In this process, it is important to change the way assets are allocated based on how the market is doing, how much risk you can handle, and your long-term goals. This helps you keep a well-diversified portfolio and get the most out of your investments over time. To make more money and take less risk, you need to keep an eye on things and make changes when necessary. A lot of people are actively involved in the cryptocurrency community by going to conferences, posting on online forums, and setting up networking events with other investors. Having access to information, insights, and potential partnerships can be very helpful when it comes to finding your way around the market and spotting opportunities. Keeping in touch with the community gives you more points of view and the chance to work together. Successful investors in the cryptocurrency market make lifelong learning a top priority. They stay up to date on new technologies, market trends, and changes in the law. This is why they can stay aware and quickly change their plans. To stay ahead in the crypto world, which is always changing, it's important to keep learning. Becoming a crypto millionaire isn't a given. It shows how important it is to plan carefully, do a lot of research, manage risks, control your emotions, and think long-term. These strategies can help you learn a lot, but it's important to remember that putting money into cryptocurrencies is very risky.